Welcome back to Anderson's Smoke Show. Today we are out here with my Camp Chef Sidekick and we're gonna make some kick-ass sweet corn, so stick around and see how we do it. If you're new here, my name is Andrew and I'm an engineer. So everything you see here on my channel is gonna be technical and to the point. And today we're gonna apply that to this sweet corn. So we're gonna take one of the simplest methods of making some awesome sweet corn. So let's get at it. So when it comes to sweet corn, you're gonna see people make it a bunch of different ways. You're gonna see them grilling it with the husk on, with the husk off. You're gonna see them boiling it in a pot of water. You're gonna see them making it in a cooler for a party. Now, before we really get into what we're doing today, I'm gonna advise that you not use the cooler corn method. There's studies and there are doctors and everything coming out saying that it's unsafe to do. And so, especially if you're cooking for a group of people, best to stay on the safe side. So today we're gonna use one of my favorite methods of making corn, and I've been doing this for years, and that is boiling the corn and adding some milk and some butter. It's super simple and it's gonna give you some of the best sweet corn that you've ever had in your life. So let's get started. One of the keys to this corn is to make it nice and creamy, and we're gonna do so by adding 2 cups of milk to a half-filled stock pot. And we're gonna take a stick of salted butter, we're gonna drop it in here as well. We're gonna let that get back to a boil before we put the corn in. All right, now that it's boiling again, we're gonna start dropping these ears of corn in, using tongs here just for safety purposes because the water's nice and hot. Like I said, today we're keeping it really simple with just the milk and the salted butter. Now, if you know that your corn is not on the sweeter side, let's say you bought a dozen, already had a couple ears yesterday, you can take a teaspoon of sugar and put it in, and that will actually help bring some of that flavor back into the corn. But I know this corn is good, so there's really no purpose of adding the sugar. So just the salted butter and the milk. We'll let this boil for 6 minutes and it should be good to go at that point. All right, it's been 6.5 minutes. Time to pull the corn out. You could see there, it is boiling heavy. There's milky water there. You can also tell when corn's about done is it gets nice and bright yellow versus that kind of pale pastel look from when you first husk it. This is nice and bright yellow, so we know it's done. All right, that's all 10 there. Let's get them over here and give it a try. All right, so the biggest thing with this corn is that by adding the milk and the salted butter is that you're not gonna need to do anything to the corn. You know, you don't need to add butter, you don't need to add salt or season it or anything. It should be good to go. Let's find out. You can definitely tell that it's creamier than you're used to. And you do get that little bit of hint of salt from the butter. Honestly, this is some damn good corn. And I know this is a very simple video. This is a very simple recipe, but you're gonna spend a lot of time making some good ass barbecue this summer, but you're gonna need to have something to go with it. And this simple corn is just what you need. And if you need other recipes, be sure to check out Anderson's Smoke Show, and I'll see you next time.